I'm going to show you what we do differently to make sure your car gets the best possible results every time. So whether we're just doing a paint correction or we're actually doing a ceramic coating, both of them kind of go hand in hand. So one of the most important but overlooked steps when it comes to achieving these great results on your vehicle is testing. So when your vehicle first comes in and we get ready to start polishing it, we're taking the time to try different pads, different polishes, even different machines to try and find the right combination that's going to be tailored to your paint work. So this testing that we do, it's just one of the steps in what I call the solid link system. And it's just a standardized process for achieving consistent results. It's the same steps, repeatable, easily repeatable. So no matter what vehicle I'm working on, I should be able to obtain the same results no matter what. We tape off sections. And the reason why I do this is so I can test pads and polishes right next to each other and compare them right next to each other and be able to see what kind of results I'm getting from those different pads and different polishes. And the reason too, we do this because the polishes or the clear coat on the vehicles is all going to be different. Some of them are going to be a harder surface. Some of them are going to be softer. So you're going to have to adjust your polishing depending on that vehicle and depending on that hardness or softness of the paint. Also the condition of the paint, how much, how bad is it? How is it in rough shape, or is it just need a quick little gloss over? So that's going to be, that's going to play into it. And then with this vehicle in particular, this one has paint work done to it. So it's got factory paint and it's got aftermarket paint on it too. They're both going to react differently, and I've had to adjust as I've been polishing it. I've had to adjust to the paint and change up what I've been using as far as pads and polish. One of the other things I've been doing over the last couple of years too was replacing pads. I get new pads for every vehicle we polish. And the reason why is if you've ever seen these foam pads before, if you've ever seen foam, seen real close-up foam, it's got little pockets of air in it. Well, what happens is as we're polishing, these pads heat up. And that's why this one doesn't have, the middle's cut out, because that's where the most heat gets built up, is in the middle of the pad. When those pads heat up, those little foam bubbles collapse. Now you're starting to lose the integrity of that pad. And now you're going to start having inconsistencies when you're polishing. So if you start with new pads and as you progress through around the vehicle, you start switching into old pads, you're going to start having inconsistent results. So that's the reason why we just go with all new pads when we do it. And it's a key part of the solid link system, is getting those new pads now every time we do a vehicle. And most shops will just jump right into polishing with some go-to combination, but that doesn't always work. And because this isn't a one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to polishing. Like I said, every vehicle is going to be different. That hardness of the paint, how bad the condition that it's in, it's all going to be different. And again, we do this all because we want to get you the best possible results, the best possible finish on your vehicle. You can get a quick polish, but are you getting the best results possible? If you care about getting the best results for your vehicle, the best look, the best finish, check out our paint correction service. I'll leave a link down below, or get in touch with us for a consultation, and I will talk to you soon.